Excuse me, do you know which bus goes to Pune?
Yes, the bus to Pune is the number 22. It should be arriving in about 10 minutes.
Thanks. Do you happen to know if it makes a stop at the city library?
Yes, it does. It stops right in front of the library. You should be all set.
Great. I'm new to the area, so I'm still figuring out the routes.
I know how that feels. I moved here recently too. If you need any other tips, just ask.
That's really kind of you. Actually, do you know if there are any good cafes around the library?
Yes, there's a IMAX little cafe just a block away from the library. It's a nice spot to relax.
Awesome, I'll check it out. Thanks for all the help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip and the new area.